Have you tried the plant-based version of the baked feta pasta? Let me show you how to make it. It's so creamy and delicious. We're going to start off with making the vegan feta. So you're going to add 2 cups of almonds that have been soaked for about a half an hour into a food processor, along with plant-based milk, garlic powder, onion powder, and nutritional yeast. You're going to process that up in a food processor or a blender. You're going to add a bit of plant-based yogurt into that as well. And then we're adding the paste into a ramekin, baking that in the oven for a half an hour, and then preparing that casserole dish with the tomatoes and a bit of minced garlic. And then you can add the baked feta into that prepared casserole dish and put that in the oven for 20 minutes at 400. And then you're adding your cooked pasta to that mixture, and you're just going to mix everything up all good. It's so creamy and delicious. Grab the full recipe on my website, nicolesinga.com, and you're going to add a bit of basil to it. Enjoy!